Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2011 Chevy Malibu LT, stock number B8952A. Only 42,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Malibu brand new, silver ice metallic in color. Malibu is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 42,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 169 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 33 on the highway, and approximately 65 to 70% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Malibu, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.